So today we're actually going to talk about two words, merit and limitation. And we're going to talk about two words today because, well, they're actually opposites. Merit is just something beneficial. Beneficial or something good. While limitation is something that restricts. Okay? So in our context in physics, we talk about merits and limitations. Well, one, when we talk about models. So, if you were choosing between, well, let's keep it even easier. If you had to pick how you had to get to school, and one way, to get to school might be by walking, could walk to school. Or maybe, you would drive to school. Okay. There are merits and limitations to walking to school, and there are merits and limitations to driving to school. So, our merits to walking to school might be you get exercise. And let's do here our limitations in red so we can see what's a limitation and what's a merit. A limitation might be it's slow, right? Limitation of driving to school might be having a license, or do you have a car, right? Whereas merits, we'll do that back in green, might be, it's faster, it's easier, just have to kind of sit in the car and be the passenger, and etc. So there we go. That's the difference between merits and limitations.